Hi, my name is Andrei Osachuk, and this is Google Sheets Data Connector for Adobe Analytics. In this video, you will learn what licenses are supported by this add-on and what the tokens are. If you click on the license button, you will see your current license. For the moment, my current license is free, and this license is activated automatically right after the installation of this add-on. The free license has a limitation of 100 tokens per day, and you can check how many tokens remains for today. The idea is the following. Every time when you send the data to Adobe Analytics, this consumes some resources, and we have to account these resources. And this is why we implemented what we call tokens. So how this works? Every time when something is processed and sent, tokens are counted. At the moment in the current version, when you load clickstream data, every line item or hit or server call consumes 1 token. So you can see that in the previous video, when I showed you how to work with the clickstream workflow, we consumed some tokens, and now we have less than 100 remained. When you work with data sources and classifications, the tokens are counted the way that every time when you load something successfully, doesn't matter how many lines there will be, 50 tokens will be consumed. So for example, you loaded 5 lines of clickstream. This means that 5 tokens will be consumed. Then you loaded 1 classification, 50 more tokens will be consumed. Then you loaded data source, 1 tab or 1 sheet, and this will be again 50 tokens. If you want to get rid of this limitation, then you may want to activate premium license, and there is the field where you need to enter your license code and click activate. So let me show you how this works. By the way, the premium license can be retrieved. For this purpose, you need to go to the add-on website or just click on the help section, and there you will find where you need to go to and enter here the code and click activate, and the premium license will be activated. So this basically allows you to get rid of the limitation of tokens. So hope now you understand what the licenses are supported and how the tokens are counted. Thank you for watching.